Abroso. Angel of the Most High God, this family are here to testify, to glorify you and our Father Jesus Christ. Is this lady that is presenting the testimony? That's her mom. According to her mom, she said she has given birth to girls, so she needed a baby boy. So anytime that she come to church, she come and then collect some of your baby toffee. One day she came to collect, and then it was in the bag that her daughter went into the bag and then took the toffee and then ate it. Angel, according to the mother, she said she told her daughter that definitely this is pregnancy toffee, so be careful, you are going to be pregnant. So the daughter was very careful that she will not meet any man or have sex with any man because of the toffee that she ate. Angel, she said, according to this woman, the mother, she said she had a dream that you appeared to her in a dream and you gave her 2 phones. And you told her that she should go and then give the phone to mommy, Mrs. Florence Obinim. So when she went to the house, she said mommy was sitting there and a lot of children were surrounded her. And she told her that, whose daughters and sons are these? And mommy replied to this woman that these are the children in my husband's warehouse. I always go there and then feed them. She said she gave the phone to mom. Mom said, you poured water on the phone, so you take the phone away. As she was going, she saw her daughter following her, but the daughter was carrying a son. She said, how did you get here? She said, I don't know. And she woke up. Angel, that month, this girl couldn't see her menses. She never met any man, but she couldn't see her menses. Her mother went to check and they confirmed that she is pregnant. Angel, the pregnancy has hit the 9th month and she has delivered safely. But the boy that the mother saw that this girl was carrying has manifested physical. She has given birth to a bouncy baby boy. So they are here to present this testimony to honor you, Angel, and our Father Jesus Christ.
Both of them, who want to talk?
Abroso. Meda obofo bi nim ene ne papa Jesus ase. Me ni bema enti bibia me ba asore a ne ma beje tofe se me pe bema. Na me de ko. Enti me ba me beji bi ko ye no. E wo me bag im ana me ka che me be se on kwesi.
You don't have any baby boy.
Me pa chode.
Or you don't have any male in your children. We need babema.
Me pa chode.
Wo ma me panyin no wo pe babema.
Am pa chan. Enti me beje tofe na me de ko. Ena me de tofe ne ko see me table so. Enti me be ko prapra me dem ho no. Ena okohwe bag mu no, no hu se tofe no e me ensa ena egumu. Ena oyi tofe no. Me bisa na wo so on 5. Na ho na abefa tofe. Wo so wo ba me dem ho se ma me 5 me so yo. Enti e wo ma be na awotwe mienu ana me so daye. Me so daye no na makwa akra. Ena Angel ma me phone mienu. Se me fa nkoma mama Florence. Inti me kwaye no na mama Florence o che aduane ma nkwala. Inti akwala ba ko bi o mama tie aduane na wa hwiegu aduane na mama eche ni mu. Inti me di phone ma mama no ana o so hwiegu so inti fa kọ na ya eye yi a na ya na o de afrefre yen na me so yo ma me da ase. Inti me kwa na me twa me na me hu se me be di machi e wo da ye ni mu na okuta ba mu a na me se na fa na wo fa ya wo ba ha sesi na so me fa gate ba ko na e da chire ho no. Ana me say ina me hu no se na me hwehwe ana me fa gate mu na me baaye ana me say na be senyan nti e kwa na me no so te me nti enu achi be na na otwe me ensa me ho ana me san so da ya say mama odne kwala me ensa e maiwa mpenifo kaka me ensa ba me fie nti omo baaye no na mama kuta ko hua ya nnoa e wo plate so no o cheche nti oduo na oyi ba akoma me be ana me say mama na me de wo ma me kohua ni bi na so da bi wo de yanka ho na obofo na o se me mecheche tofe na me cheche kohua na oba ne de na me de abre no na me so ma ka ko hia me so me nya bi anka me di no so wa ma odi anka ho ene me ne so te me nti e wa ba bosom ba ko bosom mienu me be owo school mo ba ye obda ho me so na won ko ya no wo fe no ye ana me de ko hospital ye kwa na doctor se onyem bosom me yensa ana me so yo enti me nso dabere nyina na me se me hia e ba ba ma metu ni din obi nim awo me fie enti ebra ye kwa hospital na ye so onyem no ana man ko twa scan nti onya abusumi se ko twa scan na ye so ye be ma ana me share bo se awrade se ne wa ya ma me de se me be owo be ma be de be to obofo obi nim nyame adoma akwa abusumi nko no ko so ye na wo ye no no awo be ma nti akwala no ye fra no angel obi nim.
The spirit is powerful.
And the flesh.
Oh, the spirit is powerful.
Than the flesh.
Soon ne ho eden.
Ese honam.
Akola be mana ma me ne se nka me mfa ma no no. Me de akofa. Akola ye oba na se wonana.
Me pa cho me ka akire.
Ma me de nko pe ba be ma. Ba me de ba be ma na kofa ne baba ne ka akire so. Obi ya nti sunsu madwuma ase age ye sunsu madwuma ne eti ase timi hu obi a o kasa eti asunsu dwuma aya me hu ni sesa bi ni nyansa wo fom because sunsu madwuma no onti ase na be kasa eti a with God all things are possible hwe obi a wono na epe eba bema. But me try mami ni age ni mfi a wanya no okwa animu me hu se mitimi mfa ono ne so ma eba be ma ne mba enti chi se me de fa ne ka chire ne so ne baba no so e de ba be ma ne ma no e wo ne ba e wo no because mu nyina ya busua ba ko e ye ne na no e ye ne ba ohu wi ase me suma Florence obi nim se onko ne dai mu no me ma Florence kire no a hu ni se ade no enye ne dia ni din ka ho eba o kosuo o ni nyina gina maba ni din ka ho ye hwe ya emma ne mom ye de befa ne ka akire no so ne baba no so na aba ohu wiase sa ne wiase sunsun juma ne te your born in semelwade nyet ono so bisa de man ma sit down
onyanko pa wa ya de kasi
ya usade radiasi
Nobody can speak against spiritual things. If you don't believe in spiritual things, please don't speak against it. Leave it for those who understand spiritual things. Here is a woman who says she needed a baby boy. But considering her age, I said, no, I can't give it to her. But instead, I will use it through her last daughter. And lo and behold, I've done it through her last daughter. So today, she has come here to testify, to glorify Jesus.
Abroso. Angelo bini mimami edia dansi edia se ono papa Jesus edimonyam. Na me nua bra ye fra no Ashata na Cote d'Ivoire mamu na ote. Nyambofo binim na oma wo na ase na emom na ohwa wo TV so e wo OBTV. Enti dako oti OBTV wo a wo hwa ti oguso a hwa no na wo chiche eye tofre ema won na ohia ema bofo binim. Enti hope na me nua bai edimirika ekoto tofre de beto TV no so sa nyambofo me ma wo na ase na emom menya gidi o mu ya me di tofin so to TV so yi se wo wie na me so me di a dana no eba efama me nyambofo ena me nua bai eye no se pepepe nyambofo wo wie ye no di wie ne bosom so ye no na wo hwe no menses anim se wo benya ne menses nyambofo obinim ne menses ama enti yanumu ana se odi nyinsan ye na Cote d'Ivoire hospital odi call ye no nyambofo obinim wo se ne referee hospital no kakra ti ho no odi call ye to odi call ye ne ka chan say mama congratulations you are
pregnant when you say yɛno na didi so a nyambɔfo binim hwɛ ɛna wawo afa ne ho afa ne ba nti ogyina ha ɔka de kɛse a wayɛ ɛde ama no.
This lady is also here to testify, to celebrate you and our Father Jesus. She's an Ivorian and she's from La Côte d'Ivoire, and she has been here today to testify. She said for so many years, in fact, she says she can't recollect the number of years that she has been longing for the fruit of the womb. But one day she was watching you on TV, and as you've been doing all the time, you were blessing baby toffee for those who needed the fruit of the womb. So immediately she went to buy toffee and place it on the TV screen. So you also bless it. After that, she picked it and then ate it. Angel said that month she was expecting her menses to flow, but it didn't happen that way. So she went to a hospital for the doctors to run the pregnancy test for her. They ran the test and said, "Woman, congratulations, you are pregnant." Indeed, Angel, the pregnancy has traveled into, or it traveled into the 9th month, and today she has given birth, and the son is here with her. So she is here to say, "Angel, thank you for so many years that I was longing for the fruit of the womb.
Okay.
Just eating your toffee, you've made it for me."
Clap.
And she's here today to thank you.
The first one, the woman came with her daughter to testify. The first one, please come.
Good.
And the second woman, come.
Good.
This is child sharing part 2.
Part 2 in
Today's service. Please come. I want to bless
Good.
your child for you.
Right.
Fakolane brana mishira ne ma. First one of Fakolane brana me family sankalo. Clap for Jesus. Boom, boom, boom.
Messirano,
Mebusa maame no age sesia osi owo 57 na oko 58 enche obenya 60 years enti na mede eba bema no kofa ne ka chire no so.
I've just asked the age of the woman. She just told me she's 57 running to 60. So that is why I work it out through her last daughter.
Abroso, abroso. Sonsum hoden. Where ya wadansi a etosom yensa ene somo enkoa. Nyambafo obinim menua bai edi adanse e de ahye ono papa Jesus ene manyam. Na menua bai kira ofri north ena obaaye na oma dem hada nyambafo. Enti dako ono so ti eye obi tv ho a nyambafo wo hwe onsankyerane a Jesus na mo so a oyo ye no so o se so lucky na o chiche eye awo tofe e de ma won epeba enti wo hwa wo no se se papa wei se wo ye bofo o chiche awo tofe ma bade a ene emidimirika abekọ ba bia owo bia akọje menso meba nyambofo enti odimirika ba wanim ba eye prayer emergency line de beto wanim se nyambofo me chinchini a me peba for 3 years nie me nyaba herbaris nuro de manum bia gumiyam nanso bofo mabai de menim so baboa me bofo binim ode to wanim na ma na oyo se chiko ne koyusu na asama ne tofe se oni bofo binim wanyusu eye oyi na nwie 3 days wada hwa da yesumu na pie ne nchen wada yem afredi e wo hwese ukuta babema na already no ba wanim no ka kire wo se opa eba ebema to ba ne nchen wada yem a de bere no wo hwe ya ebabema na bosume so ye o hwe ne mensis yanim se baba nyambofo wenhu wan fan ko hospital because no wanya mugidie yɛno na didi so a kosi 9 months a wɔde awo afa ne ho afa ne ba bɛrima na ade ma ne daeɛ mu no yɛnoa nso so ɛna wawoɔ nti ogyina ha ɔka wei asɛ wo no papa Jesus animonyam wɔade kɛse a wɔyɛ ɛde ama no.
Allah. Clap, 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 clap.
Jesus.
Pump, 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 pump. Wave your 2 hands. Wave your 2 hands. Pega won samienu kase Yesu yada wasio. The spirit is powerful
than the flesh.
Sunsum ne ho den.
Angel, this is childbearing part 3 in today's service over here in Kumasi. Angel, according to this woman, he said for 3 solid years she was longing for the fruit of the womb. She has been visiting herbalists and a whole lot of places, taking a lot of concoctions, but all proved futile. She didn't get a child out of that. So one day she was watching you on TV and you were blessing some of these miracle baby toffees for those who needed a child. In fact, according to her, she has so much faith in you and said, hey, if that is so, then I have to go and then see Archangel Obinim. I know she'll be able to also work things out for me so that I will also get a child. So she came here and then contacted you during counseling time and you gave her oil to go and use, and then fortunately for her, you added miracle baby toffees for those who needed a child. Angel, she said she started, but when she came to you, she told you, Angel, I'll be so much pleased if you could give me a baby boy. That is what I wanted. So Angel said when she started using this oil direction, 3 days you appeared to her in her dream, and when you were coming, you were holding a baby boy on your hand. Then you presented this baby boy to her in the dream, and she received it happily because it was a baby boy that she needed. And the daybreak when she woke up, she was so much pleased, but at long last you solved the problem for her. So that month she was expecting her menses to flow, but it didn't. She went to a hospital, they ran the pregnancy test and then told her, woman, congratulations, you are pregnant. So some few months later, she went to take a scan to see whether the baby boy you gave to her in the dream was actual baby boy or otherwise. And it proved that it was a baby boy. Angel, it traveled into the 9th month. Today, the baby boy that you gave to her in the dream, she has given birth to the same baby boy. All the problem is solved. So today she has come here to thank you and salute you for the wonderful miracle that you've done in her life. So
woman,
wonderful.
Bring your son. Still, I'm sharing babies for free. Those who are watching me, wherever you are watching me, please, still, I'm sharing babies for free. So please, if you need a child, you want a child, you want a baby boy or baby girl, or you need twins or you want twins, come and receive your child. I'm sharing babies for free. It's not anybody business. It's for free. Angel Obini miguso checheba ene adanse nko ano yedi awo adanse miensa ni nyina mebomo eba bema because a man does we are sintino or say me man bema ni bisu be wi ase wa mo nsema show. Yes, because we have so female in this world. So I decided to produce a male child in this world. So please, if you need a child, baby boy or baby girl, come and tell me, or twins, or triple, come and tell me, I'll give it to you. In Jesus Christ's name.
Amen.
Clap again. Clap for Jesus again.
Abroso Sunsum Warding saying when Angel Child Sharing Part 4 today's service. This lady has been longing for the fruit of the womb for the past 8 years. She said she has gone to so many places, but the last place that she can remember that they washed her womb is Sunyani Regional Hospital. Her name is Constance Oponbedu. Constance Oponbedu, that's the name that she used. She said the doctors washed the womb, but yet still she couldn't get pregnant. And she said she heard of you on TV saying that you are sharing babies here for free. So she too came to church. She said, fortunately for her, that day you were sharing miracle baby toffee. She rushed forward and then collected some of your toffee and she ate it. Said, in the night, Angel, she had a dream. And in that dream, it was mommy, Mrs. Florence Obinim, who was driving a pickup. She said it was full of fruits. Every fruit is inside. Mango, pawpaw, every fruit. She said, she asked her that, lady, are you looking for a child? This lady replied that yes, she is looking for a child. At the front, there was a young boy, a baby boy. And mommy told this lady, this woman, that, woman, this baby is your baby. My husband sent me to come and give you this baby. But there is something in your stomach or in your womb that my husband have to do it for you. So before I can present this baby to you, let me take you to my husband. Suddenly the dream came to church service like this. She said, they confronted you and you started tapping the stomach and you said, I've removed every sickness in your womb. In the dream, you gave the baby boy to this woman. She said that same month she was expecting her menses. It did not come. She went to check and they confirmed that she is pregnant. Angel, the pregnancy has traveled into the 9th month and she has delivered safely. The bouncy baby boy that you gave to her in the dream has manifested physical. She has given birth to a bouncy baby boy. So she is here to present this testimony to honor you and our Father Jesus Christ.
Wow. I think
She said because of how long she has been longing for the fruit of the womb, she has named the child after you. The name of the child is Angel Kwadwo Daniel Obini.
oh my God. Clap again, clap again. Wave your 2 hands and say, Jesus, we thank you.
Jesus, we thank you.
I think she can talk. Woman,
Yes, please.
look at the congregation and explain your testimony in Cree, Ghanaian language. What happened to you?
Pacho madams yene se na nkosu ya na me peba 8 years na me peba nti nko Dr. Kwesi Dey anane ho Regional Hospital Sunyane ma na ko okuru ntupum ene bia no ba ma be 3 years bia no ba ma na hwe wo TV so na bai nti ba ene be cheto
Like I said, what peba no for 8 years.
8 years
Oma ohoro wa wudie mu nyina.
eni nyina
So banama.
kura nti mba na be cheto fena jimienu nti shira so wie na ne ndi ba ko wo ha nti nkoye no 1 week time da hwa ma Florence minini so ndie na nta hwe TV nti hu so to nyom nti hu no okita akula o de ka ne ba e ke ya no de besi wo eduaba bia bi wo ma mango pe bibia bi wo nti oba na akura ekita no nti akura na kita no na ka che sa akura we se ndi na ebrawo nso je se uko unkuru ho Angel ho ansane e de akura na ye den amawo nti ho de fi ho na dan se asonde ha na Angel wo kwane ya no ho nduru ho na Angel de den sa
Angel ben. So for do go ahin be say.
Angel Bishop Daniel Obinim no jakwa ya no ha wa no de den sa wo bo nyem say
So for do go ahin be say Angel ben. Minti o Angel ben.
Angel Obinim.
Because they say you were angels bebre na was as so. Sa te wo bo anu hu angel kro na wo bo ni din no. Yengo.
Enti wa na beto number 1 angel for the whole world. Wa kwani ya no ha. No ordinance abobo onye. Nti ordinance abobo ye nwie anama Florence de akore no de mam. Nti na ni say we de enya de say ma wo bio che say ba huru tupu no nkura ma 3 months. Menya period kurada. Nti mini say ba na de kura menya bibie. Nti ngo ho a na che say mafuru ekese nko hospital abewonyem menko wo a nko wo bes akurada hu no na ti se we na ono a
Allah
wa bade a akwaba na wo ye kwadwo won na Jordan so de kwadwo angel number 1 prophet obi kwadwo obi nim
kyerɛ sɛ wo akola no dwowada Monday to what to the angel Kwadwo Daniel Obini. What the full name Nina Mano? Wow.
The full name Nina.
Bring the child to me. I want to bless him. Hey, and then Kuama Chemma say 4
9
4 and now dance here. And then Shum and then Kwa dance here. You're born in several other dear Mano.
The free Makona Munina.
Sorry, the radiance.
Four boys gone in only today's church service in Kumasi here. I've given 4 boys for free, only today's service in Kumasi. Wow, wow.